Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope all of you will be fine. Students, today we are going to start our next lecture of me and my English grammar class 5. जी स्टूडेंट्स, आज के लेक्चर में हम लोग पेज नंबर 3, पेज नंबर 4 एंड पेज नंबर 5 डिस्कस करेंगे. लेट्स गो टुवर्ड्स द लेसन. द सब्जेक्ट टेल्स अस हु और व्हाट अ सेंटेंस इज़ अबाउट. सब्जेक्ट हमें बताता है कि कोई सेंटेंस किसके बारे में है और क्या है. द प्रेडिकेट टेल्स व्हाट द सब्जेक्ट डज और इन अ सेंटेंस. प्रेडिकेट हमें बताता है कि सब्जेक्ट क्या करता है और इज़ इन अ सेंटेंस क्या है. द कंप्लीट सब्जेक्ट कैन हैव मल्टीपल वर्ड्स. कंप्लीट सब्जेक्ट मतलब फाइल, काम करने वाला. कैन हैव मल्टीपल वर्ड्स, उसमें बहुत सारे वर्ड्स हो सकते हैं. द कीवर्ड इन द सब्जेक्ट इज़ कॉल्ड द सिंपल सब्जेक्ट. कीवर्ड किसी भी सब्जेक्ट में जो होगा वो सब्जेक्ट कहलाएगा उसका. ठीक है. द कंप्लीट प्रेडिकेट कैन आल्सो हैव मल्टीपल वर्ड्स. कंप्लीट प्रेडिकेट जो है उसमें भी मल्टीपल वर्ड्स हो सकते हैं, लाइक दैट ऑफ अ सब्जेक्ट, कंप्लीट सब्जेक्ट. ठीक है. दे हैव वर्ड इन अ प्रेडिकेट इज कॉल्ड द सिंपल प्रेडिकेट. अ सिली बॉय स्लेप्ट इन द क्लास. बॉय इज सिंपल सब्जेक्ट and a silly boy is a complete subject. Are you getting the point, students? Simple subject is the boy. Complete subject, a silly boy. Read each sentence. Underline the simple subject like this. Simple subject. Write the complete subject on the line after each sentence. Write the complete subject like this, a silly boy, on the line after each sentence. An old man lived in the desert. Man is a simple subject. Complete subject, an old man. Jamil's pet dog barked loudly at night. Jamil is a simple subject. Complete subject, Jamil's pet dog. A small lazy snail moved towards the seashore. Snail is a simple subject. And complete subject is a small lazy snail. Ahmad's big heavy school bag fell from the table. Bag is a simple subject. Complete subject is big heavy school bag. The bright and shining sun rises from the east every day. Sun is a simple subject. Complete subject is bright and shining sun. Read each sentence. Underline the simple predicate, like a man was looking at the beautiful eagle. Simple subject is eagle and the complete subject is a beautiful eagle. Read each sentence. Underline the simple predicate. Write the complete predicate on the line after each sentence. She received a box of chocolates. Chocolates is a simple subject. Complete predicate is a simple predicate. And complete predicate is a box of chocolate. He learned all the latest lessons. Lesson is a simple predicate. Complete predicate, all the latest lessons. Sana wrote a letter of 3.5 pages. Pages, complete predicate, 3.5 pages. Ahmad's dog barked when Ali came closer. Came, complete predicate, came closer. Kids wished their father happy birthday when he came home from office. Office, and next complete predicate is from office. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास पेज नंबर 5 है. लेट्स गो टूवर्ड्स द पेज नंबर 5. राइट द सब्जेक्ट इन द ब्लैंक्स एंड कंप्लीट द सेंटेंसेस. डैश स्टोल माई ज्वेलरी फ्रॉम द हाउस. burglar. burglar a person who steals something, यानी कि thief. ठीक है. stole the jewelry from the house. Dash was stitching a shirt. Who was stitching? Obviously tailor. Dash was roaring in the jungle. Roaring is the sound of a lion. Lion was roaring in the jungle. Dash stopped at the red signal. Traffic. Dash was checking the patient. Doctor. Dash was singing a song. Singer. Dash was teaching in the class. Teacher. Dash was driving a car. Driver. Write the predicates in the blanks and complete the sentences. The sun was rising from the east. Children were going to school. A monkey was climbing a tree. Grandfather was watering the plants. Tina was playing with her toys. Laborers were working in the building. The magician was performing his tricks. The police caught a thief. स्टूडेंट्स, ये था हमारा आज का लेक्चर. आई होप आपको अच्छे से समझ आ गई होगी. इसी तरह से आप लोगों ने इसको अपनी बुक्स पे कंप्लीट करना है. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.